In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a number plate in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're a seasoned Photoshop user or just starting out, this guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring that you achieve a clean professional result every time. To get started, first open Adobe Photoshop. If you haven't done so already, install the software and set it up on your computer. Photoshop is an incredibly powerful tool used by professionals worldwide, and today we'll harness its abilities to make our edits seamless and effective. Once you have Photoshop open, the first thing you'll want to do is add your image to the workspace. You can do this by dragging your image file into Photoshop or by using the File menu, clicking on Open, and selecting your desired image. If this is your first time, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the variety of tools available on the sidebar. They are invaluable for this task. Now focus on the image and locate the number plate you wish to remove. For this, we need to make a selection around the number plate. You can use the marquee tool or the lasso tool for a more precise selection if the plate is in an awkward shape or position. As you click and drag to surround the plate, ensure that your selection is as snug to the edges as possible. This will help in masking the removal effectively. Next, after making your selection, it's time to choose the color that you'll use to cover up the plate. For this step, head to the eyedropper tool located on the sidebar. Click on it and then select a color from the car or an area around the number plate that matches the background closely. This helps in ensuring the area looks consistent and natural after removal. With the color selected, proceed by selecting the brush tool from the sidebar. Adjust your brush size if necessary. A smaller brush gives you more control, which is ideal for detailed work around the edges. Make sure your brush color is set to the color you just picked with the eyedropper tool. This will blend seamlessly with the surroundings of the number plate. Finally, carefully brush over the selected number plate area. Take your time to go over it methodically, ensuring consistent coverage and even blending. Depending on the complexity of the image, you may need to zoom in for better precision. Once the brushwork is complete, you can deselect the area by clicking elsewhere or using the Select menu for deselecting. Congratulations, you've successfully removed a number plate using Adobe Photoshop. This technique can be adapted for various other objects you might want to remove or modify in your images. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different tools and techniques to refine your skills further. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.